Yakap is a digital pregnancy book to plan, learn, and connect about your pregnancy journey and postpartum family planning. Pregnancy has been very challenging because of pandemic. So I really experienced that challenge regarding pregnancy, and it affected by so much disruption in maternal health care and family planning services. So it became inconvenient. So I spent around 200,000 pesos during my entire pregnancy. Not to mention, during the pandemic, we have to wear face mask, face shield, at the same time RT-PCR testing every now and then during the visits at the hospital. That time also it became inaccessible. Suddenly, interactions with my doctor was very limited. Services become inconsistent due to travel restrictions and limited local healthcare capacities. Postpartum services were compromised. I was asked several times regarding postpartum family planning, but it was not achieved. So when women need long-acting methods, the most postpartum family planning become the most inaccessible. I'm also a nurse, pero limited pa rin yung aking access sa healthcare, lalo na kaya yung mga ibang pregnant women during that time. Conceptualize yung Yakap, inisip namin ano ba yung pwede namin maitulong sa mga pregnant women, sa kapwa kong medyo may challenges noong time na yon. And naisip namin during our brainstorming ng team na bigyan natin ng focus yung mga pregnant women na mahirap maka-access sa ating mga healthcare services at plus information na need ng mga pregnant women. So, sino bang makakatulong sa kanila? Saan ba sila pwedeng pumunta? Ano ba pwede nilang gamitin para yung hirap nila or yung challenge nila during the pregnancy journey nila ay matugunan naman. So, yung Yakap is a platform na sana na lahat ng kababaihan na pregnant women, pregnant man o natapos na yung pregnancy sila ay nandun, tapos sila mismo magkaroon ng community para mag-usap at makapag-share ng mga feelings nila and journey sa pregnancy.
Yakap provides convenient platform where pregnant women can use it to acquire information about their pregnancy journey. So it shows contextual information based on their pregnancy stage. We've included their baby's features, including the progress, the height of the baby, the weight of the baby, the size, comparison to different vegetables. So there are also some stories. We also have some stories function wherein we provided fun and bit-sized stories like on Facebook, Instagram, so that they can learn more about their bodies and about their babies. So what's allowed or not allowed during pregnancy and some PhilHealth benefits among others. So the ReachHealth Accelerator activities provided so much value for our startup and to our individual skill sets as well. So which we would not have been able to do it ourselves or acquire it on our own. So as public health practitioners, we were used to funded projects where sustainability is not often considered. So in creating Yaka.ph, we learned the business side of things, understanding what the market is, the scope, what it entails were all important to understand, and the ReachHealth Accelerator program continues to build our capacity on entrepreneurial skills that we need to ensure our solution is sustainable. Diagnostic panel was a learning experience for us because experts challenge us as a team to look at our problems and solutions from a different angle. It surfaced our own biases and internal assumptions and allow us to reflect and innovate on what has been our business model and solution. Weekly check-ins were helpful as it becomes an engaging session with Villgro where they ask what they can do to help us with our concerns.
Mentor meetings were in-depth one-on-one calls on our specific need, and Villgro helped with providing the experts so we can do deep dives with them in reflecting and improving our business model and our product. At Yakap, we want to provide the best possible outcomes for each of our users. We want to ensure that all pregnancy is wanted. We know that the number and spacing of children for families greatly impact women's futures and lives. If Yakap can provide them the information they need to actively plan, save their lives, and ultimately help them make informed choices, Yakap would help women and families fulfill their potential.